Warmest Wishes Explained, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, warmest wishes. This phrase is not just about temperature or greetings. It's about conveying feelings and intentions. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and nuances to enhance your English communication skills. Stay tuned to master this heartwarming expression. Warmest wishes is a phrase loaded with emotional warmth and kind intentions. It's commonly used in English to express sincere goodwill and affection towards someone. Think of it as a cozy blanket of words, wrapping the listener in comfort and care. It's more than a simple greeting, it's a powerful expression of heartfelt sentiment. You might be wondering when it's appropriate to use warmest wishes. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various scenarios, such as personal letters or emails. It's a wonderful way to end a personal message. Special occasions. Whether it's a birthday, wedding, or holiday, warmest wishes adds a personal touch. Professional contexts. While more common in personal settings, it can also be used in a professional context, particularly in a congratulatory or farewell message. Remember, the key is the context and the relationship with the person you are addressing. It's important to understand the cultural nuances behind warmest wishes. In English-speaking cultures, this phrase conveys genuine care and affection. However, it's always good to be aware of the listener's cultural background, as expressions of warmth and affection can vary across cultures. To help you grasp this phrase better, let's look at some examples. As you embark on your new journey, I send you my warmest wishes for success and happiness. To my dear friend, warmest wishes on your birthday. May your day be as wonderful as you are. We hope this video has shed light on the beautiful phrase, warmest wishes. It's more than just words. It's a way to express deep affection and good intentions. Use it to add warmth to your communications and brighten someone's day. Remember, language is not just about speaking. It's about connecting hearts. Warmest wishes to you all in your English learning journey.